Hi, and welcome to #REME Museum Challenge. As you can see, I'm standing in front of Big Red, one of the recovery trucks the REME uses. So maybe not the biggest, but definitely the brightest coloured vehicle. And I'm doing this because this week's theme on #REME Museum Challenge is trucks. So we're going to make a self-propelled vehicle. This. Basically, it's powered by the balloon, forcing air out of the straw that it's attached to at the back. So the air comes out of the back and that pushes the vehicle forward. So it's really simple to make. It's made out of a piece of cardboard and 4 cardboard wheels. The wheels are on axles made out of bamboo skewers. We've used drinking straws to hold the axles in place. And then we've just attached the balloon with sticky tape. And we're going to let it go and see how it works. Okay, so ready? Let's see how it's going. And it was off. It's a bit difficult and a bit tricky with the camera, I'm afraid, but it does work. So if you would like to have a look online, you can see a guide as to how to make one of these. And keep an eye out for our Great Egg Chariot Challenge, which is starting next week and where we challenge you to make your own self-propelled vehicle. Maybe a different technique to this one. And if you enter that competition, there's an opportunity to win some prizes. Anyway, have a great time making your own self-propelled vehicle and see you at the museum soon. Thanks very much. Bye.